Welcome to the Modular Synthesizer simulation. Within this booming sim, you will assemble various modules of a synthesizer to study how sounds are produced. Make sure to check that your device's sound is on and that the volume level is set to a lower than middle value. Begin the sim by playing around with the mini keyboard and hitting different keys. Click a key once to turn on a note. Click the same key again to turn off the sound, or click on another key. If you cannot clearly hear a sound, carefully turn up your device's volume level, but not too loud, and listen to each note. You will also be able to view the sound waves using the on-screen oscilloscope to view the sound wave's amplitude and frequency. Now change the type of wave displayed by selecting a different oscillator setting: sawtooth, square, or triangle. The sawtooth and square settings can be quite bold, so you might want to turn down your device's volume level beforehand. Go ahead and switch the voltage-controlled amplifier from low to high. Whoa, a lot louder, huh? Let's set that back to low. By selecting either low or high under the 350 Hz pass filter, the filter will block certain sounds when turned on. Continue to play around with different settings and see which sounds you can achieve.